You just spent $500 on a mailing list before printing a single postcard. That line item didn't have to exist. Most Hudson Valley business owners pay $50 to $100 per thousand for mailing lists. For a 5,000-piece campaign, that's $500 wasted before you print anything. The pattern we see after 500 campaigns? Businesses discover EDDM after running 2 to 3 expensive campaigns and realize they could have saved 40% from day one. Every door direct mail eliminates the mailing list cost entirely. Select USPS carrier routes. Mail to Postal Customer. Deliver to every address on the route. No list purchase required. $0 for list costs. Here's the cost comparison. Traditional direct mail. Mailing list costs $50 to $100 per thousand. Postage 30 cents or more per piece. All-in costs 75 cents to $1.10 per piece. EDDM. Mailing list $0. Postage $0.223 per piece. All-in cost $0.66 to $0.98 per piece. That's 40 to 50% savings on saturation campaigns. Route selection is simple. Use the USPS EDDM online tool. Filter carrier routes by zip code, median income, household size, and age. Each route covers 200 to 500 delivery points in Ulster, Dutchess, or Orange counties. Target residential routes around your business location or saturate entire towns. Real example from Kingston. Lawn care company sent 2,800 EDDM postcards across 3 residential routes. Campaign cost, $2,644. Response rate, 2%, which generated 56 inquiries. Conversion rate, 30%, which resulted in 17 new customers. First-year revenue, $14,450. ROI, 119%. EDDM works best for businesses where every household is a potential customer. Restaurants within a 3-mile radius, lawn care, HVAC, and plumbing across residential routes, real estate agents farming specific neighborhoods, local retail driving foot traffic, common mistakes that kill response rates, mailing too frequently. We recommend quarterly for most businesses, not monthly. Weak offers. Generic call for a free estimate doesn't create urgency. Use time-bound quantified offers like $50 off any service over $200. Mention this card by May 15th. No tracking mechanism. Use a dedicated phone number or campaign URL. Poor route selection. Use demographic filters. Don't just mail to every route in town. Cluttered design. One bold headline, one clear offer, phone number above the fold. EDDM postcards must include ECRWSS indicia in the top right corner and postal customer addressing. Size options: 6.25 by 9, 6.25 by 11, or up to 15 by 12 inches. Design best practices: one bold headline, one hero image, one phone number large and visible, one call to action. CRST manages full-service EDDM campaigns for Ulster, Dutchess, and Orange County businesses. We handle route selection, demographic analysis, EDDM compliant design, printing, bundling by carrier route, PS Form 3, 587 completion, and USPS post office delivery. Call 845-555-722 or visit crst.net/EDDM to get started. We've managed over 500 EDDM campaigns across the Hudson Valley since 1998.